Craving a simple yet delicious stir-fried vermicelli dish? Today, we're making a quick and tasty stir-fried vermicelli with egg. Let's get started. Here is what you need. Vermicelli noodles, onions, spring onions, celery, carrot, red pepper, green pepper, chili, garlic, cooking oil, sweetheart cabbage, and eggs. Start by slicing the onions, carrots, red and green peppers, celery, and cabbage into thin strips. Chop the spring onions and chilies for extra flavor. Soak the vermicelli noodles in warm water for about 10 minutes until soft, then drain and set aside. Heat some cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add egg, minced garlic and stir. Fry until fragrant. Next, toss in the onions, carrots, and both red and green peppers. Stir fry for a minute to bring out the flavors. Push the veggies to one side and crack in the eggs. Scramble them until they start to set, then mix everything together. Now, add the sweetheart cabbage, celery, and spring onions. Soy sauce, sugar, oyster sauce, sesame oil, seasoning powder. Stir fry for another 2 minutes until everything is well mixed and cooked through. Finally, add the sweetheart cabbage, celery, and spring onions. Stir fry for another 2 minutes until everything is well mixed and cooked through. And there you have it, delicious stir-fried vermicelli with egg, packed with flavors and ready to enjoy.